Going through a divorce can be exceptionally hard. There's so many things to consider, and well, it can sometimes be a little overwhelming. This next segment has been sponsored by the Haefner Law Office, and here today to ease your anxiety surrounding divorce is family law attorney Mark Haefner. Mark, thanks for being here with us today.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, and I love these conversations. I mean, tell me a little bit about the Haefner Law Office.
We are a family law firm here in St. Louis. We only do family law, and we only do it in St. Louis County, St. Louis City, Jefferson County, and St. Charles County. Want to make sure that we know the judges, the procedures, kind of how every place likes to do it, and so we can stay on top of things.
And that really is what kind of sets you guys apart. Like, you guys are specialists in family law.
Yes, that is all we do. If I get a speeding ticket, I call a speeding ticket attorney. This is it, and this is where 100% of my focus and time goes to, and I'd like to think we're pretty good at it.
Absolutely, and you just kind of said it. I mean, if you get a speeding ticket, you're going to call a speeding ticket attorney. If you get a personal injury, you're going to call a personal injury law attorney. I mean, the Haefner Law Office has won so many awards, and those have been peer-reviewed awards as well, which is saying a lot about you.
Yeah, no, we've gotten quite a few awards. The ones that I really like are the ones that are voted on by other attorneys. I'd like to think that we got a pretty decent reputation. It's because we don't go in with unrealistic expectations. And if we can settle your case, we're going to do that. We're going to try and be very reasonable in our request, not overreach it, because I don't want to raise up cost and things like that. There are some attorneys that go in, they promise the world, or they say they can do this, that, and the other. And the reality is I kind of know where we're going to end up, most likely. There might be a couple questions we got to run past the judge, but I work really well with opposing counsels to try and say, okay, this is where I think we're going to be going, and we're going to most likely reach a settlement in, I would say, over 90% of our cases.
Wow. You really do know the ins and outs of these cases because you've been doing this for so long. That's your specialty.
Yes, and there's always case law that's changing and laws that are changing, and being so focused on just the family law, which would be divorce, custody, child support, modifications, it allows us to stay on top of what those changing laws, rules, and trends are. We also do a lot of what's called CLEs, or continuing legal education classes, that are also hyper-focused in our area, so we can even see what's on the horizon.
What's coming new in the family law world.
Absolutely.
Well, this can be kind of an overwhelming process for people. If someone's at home, they're watching, they're going through this, they're divorced, they're separated, they're legally separated, they're trying to figure things out. What advice would you give them?
I would probably say the thing that you want to do right off the bat is don't feel like you're going to have to do it alone, and then get educated about the process. One of the things, if you go to our website, which is flatratedivorces.com, we've got a lot of a couple of videos, we've got articles, I've written blogs, and you could also request a copy of my book, which kind of breaks down and takes the mystery out of the family law process. So just kind of knowing what you're walking into, and most people don't know, and you shouldn't know, what you're getting into, but being able to have that kind of knowledge, I know at least I always feel better walking into a situation having at least a general idea of what's going to be happening, and reach out. The one thing I will say, though, if you are served with papers, do not wait or stick your head in the sand or think, oh, we're going to try and work it out. Once you have been handed those papers, 30 days have started for you to file your responses. If it's a petition. If it's a motion, you've got a little bit, it's a different set of scenario. But if it's a petition for dissolution or a petition for paternity or something like that, you have 30 days to file responsive pleadings. Otherwise, they can move ahead without you. We don't need everybody to participate. I just need the judge's signature.
Yes.
So if you do get served, reach out immediately to an attorney. Try and figure out what you need to be doing, where you need to be focusing your attention. One of the things that I always recommend also is on every family law case that we do, you have to fill out 2 financial forms called the Statement of Income and Expense and the Statement of Property. And those are like financial snapshots. If you go on our website, we have these both in PDF format and in Excel, so you can fill it out. And I believe the Excel even does the math for you.
Nice.
But you need to fill that out no matter what. And it might be helpful to at least see what you don't know, because it's shocking. I even tried to fill one out myself not that long ago, and I was like, gosh, I don't know
all this information.
Yeah. And one of the things that really helped me do it was I ran one of those free credit reports on myself to see where I owed money. And that is something that I think is really important, also knowing knowing what you have and knowing what you owe and who you owe it to.
Important. Okay. Well, these are some great quick facts from Mark and St. Louis. If you're at home and this process has been stressful, overwhelming for you, the Haefner Law Office is here to help you. All you have to do is head online to their website, Flat Rate Divorces. And yes, you can get a flat rate divorce. Give them a call, 314-200-6101. And again, that website one more time is flatratedivorces.com. Mark, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Of course, don't go anywhere. St. Louis will be right back after this quick break.